Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains Shortcut Tower. Top challengers like these guys, they are excellent. Comment your answer to feature here. Our next viral question is 200 divided by 2 by 3 into 3. Okay. So what we have here, I will solve like stepwise and with the help of dash, but try to solve by your own. Okay, if you think like this answer is 200 divided by 2 by 3 into 3. If you think that 3 into 3, we simply cancel out 3 into 3 and 1, and 200 divided by 2, which give them 100, then your answer will be wrong. So we will try to solve this with a step-by-step method. Here we will introduce the KCF rule, keep, change, flip. So we will keep this part, change this operation and flip this part. Okay, so here we will write again 200, division will be changed to multiplication, and if we flip this, then 3 will go to numerator part like this and 3. Now we will solve 2 into this will go for 100, and 100 into 3 times 3, that is equal to 9, or we can say 900 is the right answer. Coming to the next question. Question number is minus 4 to power whole cube divided by minus 2 power square plus 4. Try to solve your by one and comment your right answer. I will solve stepwise. So here what we have, this minus 4 power cube. So simply we have to follow this dash rule. Parenthesis, explanation, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. First we will solve for this parenthesis part. So we will write again minus 4 cube divided by minus 2 the square. That means minus 2 into minus 2, which gives them 4. Multiplication and negative and negative, when we multiply it will become positive. So answer is here 4 plus 4. Now minus 4 cube, which will give minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. When we multiply minus 4 into 4, which give them 16 into minus 4, like minus 64. So here we will simply write minus 64 divided by 4 plus 4. Now we have to divide this. When we divide 64 with 4, we will get 16, but in minus, plus 4. And when we add minus 16 and plus 4, we will get what? 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2, and minus 12. So here minus 12 is the right answer. If you solve this by very true, then comment your answer and watch these videos. Thanks for watching.